Yeah, there's many seagulls around the school, but there's one general of all the birds. We call him the grandfather. Tells him to attack. That's pretty much how it goes. He sits high upon his perch up there, above the gym, sends in his army.
I think that the grandfather bird is the ringleader of the seagulls who are plotting against us.
Pretty soon the courtyard, then it's the whole school. It's starting with the bird droppings, you know? You can see them get hit. It's just catastrophe. It's all bad.
Dude, you shouldn't do that.
Why do you care?
Don't you remember Trevor?
What about Trevor?
Dude, what happened to him, you know? Why he's not around anymore?
He graduated, you Tron bomb.
That's not what I heard.
What'd you hear?
Well, I heard the birds. The birds got him! The birds!
Birds?
The birds!
You came to me in a dream.